Ethereum's new big update date has begun for Cancun. An important development in the history of Cancun, the major update in front of Ethereum, was announced by the developer. The Ethereum ETH community is discussing the scope of the upcoming Cancun network update, which aims to improve the scalability and security of the blockchain. Tim Byko, coordinator of Ethereum core developers, suggested that future discussions on expanding scope should be limited to the following 5 Ethereum improvement proposals: EIPs EIP 5920, 5656, 7069, 4788, and 2530. Byko also said the update is at least 5 to 6 months away based on its current scope, hinting that adding more EIPs could delay the launch even further. At the Zoom meeting held, ETH developers talked about the update and the general situation of ETH. One of the key issues discussed was the potential removal of a code function called self-destruct used in Ethereum smart contracts. A security analysis showed that removing this functionality can be manageable and even beneficial for most applications. However, concerns have been raised about how this change might affect certain types of transactions. To address these concerns, a developer has proposed a new method called set code that will allow code upgrades without affecting important trading activities. The developers also discussed the progress of another proposal called proto-danksharding, which aims to increase the efficiency of the Ethereum network. The developers talked about improving the rules and preparing for the next phase of testing.